Yeah, I don't think that should be a problem.
No.
We just did a killer climb right off the start. It was brutal. About 350 feet of elevation in a very short distance. But if you can see it behind me, it's a pretty cool little view. Nice little ride so far.
In 3 miles, turn right.
We're halfway in, cruising along. Out here, awesome. This is definitely a epic ride. If you ever get a chance, come out here to the Scioto Trail out here by Chillicothe. This is a sick ride. Glad I got up early this morning to come out here and do this ride. It's been fun so far. All right, so we're taking a short break, filling up on some water, eating some food. I think we got roughly about 7 more miles to go. Alright, so we're on this last little stretch. I ain't gonna lie, this last little stretch is kicking my ass. I'm just kind of stopping, taking a break, waiting on Kyle to get up here to the top of the ridge. I think we got about 2 more miles to go to the car. Here comes Kyle, struggling up the hill. The struggle is real.
Road gearing, safety bottom bracket.
If you guys can't tell, this hill is super steep. You may not be able to see it in the video, but some punchy hills out here. It's awesome. All right, guys, back to the car. Awesome ride. This was the Scioto Trail out here in Chillicothe, Ohio. If I said that wrong, correct me in the comments. Thanks for watching, guys.